What's up, guys? JP here with my boy Relic. So, tell us what we're going to be building.
Well, I'm excited for this project. It's been my dream car for quite a while. We're going to be building a Vader. Yeah.
Is that the Carolina Vaydor?
Yeah, Carolina Vaydor is the one that's creating they're manufacturing the body kits these days.
So go ahead and tell us a little bit about the kit.
So the kit originally it was built by a man named Matt McTaggart, so I'm probably mispronouncing it, but it was designed for the Infinity G35, and after a while he sold it. He ended up selling it to the design to a company called Custom Crafted Cars, which they decided to stop creating the fiberglass body kits entirely and just make a turnkey ready supercar. And so those were available for a couple of years as only a turn car, Vader G35. They custom created, their name is Custom Crafted Cars. And they created custom Vaders. And then after a while, the DIY community just kind of was up in an uproar because they wanted a chance to make these the way Matt had originally wanted. The whole premise behind the Vader was a budget exotic vehicle.
Kind of a father and son build type of
Exactly. So it was very much for do-it-yourselfers. He described his life as he never had anything nice because he didn't have the money for it. So everything he got that was nice, he had to build. So by the time he was done making the original design out of styrofoam and then making it into fiberglass, he pretty much had invested everything he had into it. But it paid off because that Vader ended up getting picked up by the movie Suicide Squad. It was the Joker's purple Lamborghini.
Right. Mm-hmm.
So after that, like I said, the DIY community was up in an uproar, and custom craft cars ended up partnering up with Carolina Vaydor, and now Carolina Vaydor is making the fiberglass body kits available again. They upped the price a bit. They are going for, I believe it's $13K now.
Yeah, that sounds about right. Plus, then you can add multiple options. Yeah. I mean, it can get it from $13,000 all the way up to about $25,000, $26,000 by the time you add certain options, whether you're going convertible, coupe, that type of thing.
They've got the interior kit
mm-hmm.
for the interior as well. They've got the butterfly doors or scissor door options. They've partnered up with Armani Forged if you want to go that route and get Armani Forged 3-piece wheels.
Now, if I'm not mistaken, Shaquille O'Neal owned one of these Vaders at some point, or still does?
Yes, Shaquille O'Neal did purchase one. I believe he got his from, Custom Crafted Cars. And they went all out on his,
right.
Made it completely from the ground up. It's a one-off. So
yeah, so these are obviously a sought-after commodity out there in the car community. So I think it's going to be a really fun build, and I'm looking forward to the project.
As a project car, it's not going to be something that I'm ever going to stop working on. I just recently purchased my dream motorcycle, and I don't see myself outgrowing this one. Same thing with the Vader G35. I'm not going to be outgrowing that. It's going to be something that I'm going to consistently be upgrading, tuning. This is a for-life kind of project car.
And the nice thing about the Vader kit is it's kind of a one-off. I mean, you build it how you want it. The kit comes, and then you can modify that kit some and add different options, do different, like we're going to do different performance, different suspension. Eventually he may track it, and
mm-hmm.
everyone's going to wonder what kind of car is out there on the track, and everyone's going to ask questions, and we're going to be like, yeah, we can build those for you, and maybe eventually we'll build another one. Who knows?
Yeah, because it is going to be fully race ready in the sense that it's going to have a roll cage weld in. The original creator, he basically considered it a rebody. So the Infinity G35 was the perfect platform. He chose that because it was commercially available, wouldn't break the bank. So it's a very budget-friendly donor car. And then rebodying the entire thing to make it look like an exotic supercar, I think, is, in my mind, the perfect way to go to have a $160,000, $170,000 vehicle without having to spend that money.
Right.
We're going to be putting all the money into it in labor.
Right, and that's the thing. I mean, the one of these cars, it's not just as simple as buy the kit, put it on. I mean, you're talking 200 plus man hours more than likely. You know, fiberglass can only be fitted so well. I mean, there's, you know, they manufacture these kits, but there's still going to be things that we have to go in there and shave and clean and make sure the body lines look good, and so it's definitely going to be a project. However, I mean, we're going to bring it to you on the JP YouTube channel. We're gonna go through it. There's gonna be days I'm in the video. There's gonna be days he's out there on his own working away. So stay tuned, and we hope you guys like and subscribe.